Ladies and gentlemen, this is good evening, ladies and gentlemen. This is my boarding pass for round 2 of Puri. I've got seat number J3, so let's get in. The interior, as you can see, same spacey as it is. Show you the full bus since it's empty as of now. It's the same bus that I had taken last time also, with comfortable bed. Got now get to my seat, which is J3. You can see there's a personal air conditioner, the blanket as usual. Snacks will be given after the journey. It's time to sit down. So thank you very much. Hope you enjoyed the video. See you tomorrow in Puri.